Welcome to PrometAI. Let's explore how to make clear decisions and resolve conflicts. Once you're in your workspace, navigate to the Founders section in the Entrepreneur's Journey. Then, click Decisions from the top toolbar and open the Decision-Making Framework tool. You'll start by filling out a short 5-question quiz to define your team's decision-making style. Then, review the Decision Domains map, where you can see who leads, who votes, and who has veto rights for each function. You can adjust everything to match your company. After a quick questionnaire on how you want to handle major topics, click Generate Summary. PrometAI will show clear notes on possible gaps and your decision process. Moving forward, click Conflict Resolution from the top toolbar. Here, answer a few short questions to show how conflicts are handled in your company. Once you finish, click Regenerate Summary. PrometAI will point out possible weak points and give a clear view of your internal conflict resolution process. Decision-making and conflict resolution easily handled with PrometAI.